Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you looking to connect Freshsales to Calendly? This guide will show you how to synchronize your meeting schedules and appointment between Freshsales and Calendly. Let's get started on integrating Freshsales with Calendly today. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, make sure to go ahead and open freshworks.com. After that, go to your account and connect into it. Now, to add Calendly to your Freshsales account, it's pretty easy. Go to the last thing in the menu. So there it is, admin settings, click on it, and then go to apps and integration. From here, click on marketplace apps. And simply what you have to do next is pretty much easy. Click on it and wait for it to load. Once it loads, you can then search for the app that you want to add. Let's search for Calendly. As you can see here, we have several ones, so you can choose the one that can be convenient for you. Let's go here for Calendly events for CRM, which has almost 800 plus installation. So let's read it and see what it does and what can it help us with. So schedule Calendly meetings from the Freshworks CRM. Features, you have 4 features. So the first one is to create and schedule new meetings for your contact in Freshworks, view the booked Calendly meetings inside your Freshworks contacts, cancel and reschedule the meetings from the Freshworks, and view all your upcoming and past meetings from the Freshworks navigation menu. Note, this app contains in-app pricing which has to be purchased from our app store by following this URL. So this is the URL, so you have to have like an in-app purchase. So this app contains in-app pricing which has to be purchased. So make sure that you know that. Now, can we configure it? There is like an images here in case you didn't notice it. So there is like a big video which usually will make you confused, and once you it takes basically half the page. If you want a little bit under it, you'll be able to find these. So let's go ahead and read it. So simple configuration, admin settings, here you can find it. Here there is other things, view all upcoming and past events, schedule and cancel appointments from Freshworks, and so go on. So now let's go ahead and add it. Let's click on install, and basically once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and install it. So Calendly token, get from here, Freshsales API key here. Now what I'm gonna do exactly is basically go to Calendly and get these 2 tokens that are basically important. So I'm gonna click on here, and basically after that they were going to take me exactly to my Calendly accounts. Usually if you are connected, there will not be a problem. So we would reconnect. Let's give them the access, allow, and now usually this must be it, and we must find the token. Let me just click again. Alright, so get a token now, continue. Let's name it Freshsales. Create token. Now once it is done, we have to go ahead to our email and write the authentication code that will be sent to us. So let's go here, go to Calendly, and copy this code. Oh, my bad. Copy token, paste it right here. Let's go ahead and close it. Once it is added, we have to go to Freshsales API key. So let's go here and confirm you below to view your API key. Let's copy it, and let's copy this, paste it here, and install. And now we simply have to wait a couple of seconds. If you had a very bad internet connection, then it's gonna take a few minutes. Once it is done, it's gonna be added just like that, and here you will find all the type of apps that you have installed or integration that you have made throughout your account history. Go ahead and click on Calendly and click on edit settings. So these are the only settings that you have the access to. Now if you want to more contacts, or basically clicked on someone here. Now usually the contacts or anything that you make is actually, or basically I don't mean anything that you make, but literally every single integration that you add is going to be shown in here. So as you can see, we have, for example, here Xero, we have Freddy AI Insights, and we have here like files in the marketplace where you can find all the apps basically that you have downloaded. So what happens now, how can we make sure that basically Calendly is connected? Well, first of all, you have to get the same contacts that are existing in Freshsales and Calendly. So if you went back, let me just show you here. If you went back to the website embed code, not here, I mean to the marketplace where we have and downloaded the application, let's go here, let's go to marketplace apps, and we go to the actual integration with Calendly. So if you went there, there we go, let's go here. So as you can see here, we will have to go to admin settings, we add it, etc, etc. So Calendly must be added somewhere right here. So as you can see, since we didn't have the access to it, we have to do some simple configuration again, which is basically not allowing us to get the access to it. So we are not looking at Calendly here at all. So what's really the problem is, there is a problem with our tokens. So the tokens that we have added are basically not correct, or something is interrupting them. For example, in my case, I don't have the premium version neither in Freshsales, neither in the Calendly account. With that being said, I will not get the access to neither applications, and it will not be allowed to me to see it in here. So this is one of the reasons why I cannot see the actual apps in this area. Well, that's the reason of it. So I can't really find it as a problem of not buying the in platform bundles or packs or whatever you can call it. We have to get the plan by them. So to get the plan, you have to upgrade your account. So Calendly has an in-account upgrade plan. As you can see, you have standard, teams, and enterprise. You simply have to get one of them so you can get your work ready to go. You can go with example with standard, which can give you a $10 per month for seats, team 16, and enterprise starts at 15k per year. So you can have here every detail about it. You can read it by your own. This is not what really interests us in this video, but yeah, this is basically how it works. You can bypass it though if you use Zapier. Zapier can somehow help you to bypass it. In case you would like us to talk about Zapier and the interaction of it with basically Freshsales in general, let us know in the comments down below so we can actually know how we can manage to give you all the necessary things about them. And that's pretty much it, guys. So let's do a recap about it. So what you have, or basically what you need to do, is to go to your Freshsales account, make sure that you have an account with both Freshsales and Calendly, go to settings, go to the fifth option, I think, or the sixth option, which is apps and integration. Go to marketplace apps, and from there you have to go and search for Calendly. You simply have to click on install, get the token and the API key from both accounts, or basically from both setting pages that will basically be in Calendly and in Freshsales. And once you're done and feel like everything is good, you can be ready and good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you do have any more questions or problems, make sure to mention them down below in the comment section. I will make sure to answer all of your questions one by one. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.